Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free tokens in It. So in this latest update, It added a new F2P feature where you can earn tokens just by watching ads. And these tokens can be used for transactions in the Trade Plaza. So you don't need to spend any Robux. And here's how to do it. First, just go to the Trade Plaza like this. And once you're here, just head over to the machine near the fountain over here. And then after that, just simply tap on earn tokens like this. And then just tap on what's ad. And just like that, just wait for the ad to show up and watch it until it finishes like this. And after that, once the ad is done, you will receive your free tokens. Like this, you will get the free tokens. Sorry, after you finish watch the ad, you will get one token shard, and to get one token, you need to collect 5 token shard. And after that, you will get the 1 tokens that you can use for the transactions in this Trade Plaza. So just repeat to watch the ad until you get the 5 token shard, and after that you can get 1 tokens like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.